faculty and staff of Philippine School, parents, awardees, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Our speaker tonight was born in Jolo, Sulu, to a Muslim family with Chinese and German ancestry, and married to a Jordanian. She is gifted with 5 sons who are now professionals, except her youngest, who is currently taking an engineering course at Jordan University of Science and Technology. Professionally, she is actively engaged in doing research related to teaching learning strategies that can bring out the best in learning outcome and excellence in the academy. Few of her research studies have been presented during the international conferences held in Texas, USA, Portugal, Valencia, Spain, Shanghai, China, Singapore, and Malaysia. This coming April, she will be presenting a latest research on gender equality in women's health global perspective at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. In return, she was invited as an international speaker to address the nursing educators and nurses at the Notre Dame College for the latest trend in nursing education. In most of her teaching strategy in clinical training to few colleges of nursing in the Philippines, she was able to introduce the application of simulations teaching strategy. In addition, she rendered consultancy visit to the College of Medicine at the University of Yerevan, Armenia, regarding the use of interactive simulators during the clinical training of medical students. She also rendered services as external examiner at the College of Medicine and Health Services Nursing Department at Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, as pioneer of the PSN program and the development of the Clinical Simulation Lab. Currently, she is running a clinical simulation lab at the College of Nursing at Sultan Qaboos University, in which they were able to set up a virtual lab that is more realistic as hospital environment to acclimatize the nursing students prior to their clinical training in the hospital. At present, she is working on a big SQU